Hello everyone, let's see how to organize our work for next week. On Monday, we will work with Unit 9A. So let's see what you have to do at home. Let me show you. In Unit 9A, we will work with countable and uncountable nouns. Vocabulary about food. So the first step is to cover the first video where we practice these grammar contents, and you may read about that in the grammar bank. Let me show you. We have the grammar bank. I forgot the page. I have to take a look, but do not worry. Give me just a second. On page 140. On page 140, here we are. We have the countable and uncountable nouns. Everything is explained in the first video of this week, but here you may read the explanation too. These are the exercises that we completed in that video, so please start here. When you finish this, it's also very important to check vocabulary. We have vocabulary on page 163. This one, food. So please check this vocabulary. Remember that it's very important to listen and repeat many times to internalize the correct pronunciation. When you've finished grammar bank and vocabulary bank, then we will start with Unit 9A. That's page 68. Here we are. In these two pages, you will try to read the text and complete this activity. Here you have to match these sentences with these people. All right? I will enlarge the screen a little bit so it's going to be easier for you. A little bit more. Here we are. Read 3 articles from a series, What I Ate Yesterday, in the Times newspaper. Read the articles again. Answer the questions with the M for the model, B, the boxer, or W, the writer. So here you have the 3 people. You will read and you will match. Then you have to work with the highlighted words. In this case, it's very important that you do not use a dictionary. Do not use a dictionary. Try to guess from context. Okay, so try to understand these words. For example, this one, perhaps you already know, but if you do not know the meaning in Spanish, please do not use a dictionary. Try to guess from context, all right? Now let's move to the next page. Here, you will complete these 5 blanks with one of these words. We will work pronunciation in class and speaking in class. But if you can, try to complete the listening activity at home. Try to listen the recording at least 2 or 3 times or as many times as you need. You have to listen this recording and complete the missing information. That's all from Unit 9A. Then, on Wednesday, we will work with Unit 9B. Let's see what we have to do there. In Unit 9B, we will keep working with food, but in this case, food containers. It has to do with uncountable nouns many times. For example, water, it's uncountable because actually you need either a bottle or a glass or something that contain the liquid, all right? This is very simple and it's just a revision. So please, you try to listen this recording at home and write here, match the words and pictures, listen and check. So here you have numbers, 1, 2, 3, and you have to write these numbers here in these boxes, okay? Try to do that at home. Probably we are not going to check this in class because it's very simple. It's just to write the number and you already have the answers. Quantifiers. We practiced this in our first video with the explanations. Try to complete the blanks here. Again, we have the reference from the grammar bank, but we have already completed that, so do not worry. Pronunciation, we will check in class. And as far as possible, try to complete, at least try to read these two articles, okay? In class, we will read and complete this quite fast. So as far as possible, you try to read and complete here. Read the questionnaire and complete the questions with how much or how many. So you need to distinguish between countable and uncountable nouns. Reading. That's why it's important to read this at home. Try to read and try to complete. Here it says, read the magazine article White Gold. With a partner, but you are alone at home, complete the facts with sugar or salt. So it's general knowledge. You try to complete, then we will discuss in class. This is on Wednesday. On Friday, we will try to cover Unit 9C. Let's see. Here we will start with comparative adjectives, and we will also work with high numbers. If you don't remember how to say high numbers, please try to revise that. Probably we will be short of time to correct this, but you try to revise high numbers. In class, we will try to check and complete, for example, the listening activity, grammar, and reading. So at this point of the course, you should be able to read the instruction and complete. So try to complete listening, grammar, reading. If you prepare that, the class is going to be more dynamic. And remember that we are waiting for your questions. Okay? So please write your questions. Let us know your problems with the course because we are here to help you. So please let us know and we will try to help you. Practical English. From here, it's very important to practice. True or false? And another one, and this one, that you have to answer some questions. Why this is so important? Because in the final exam that it's coming, let me tell you, and I will share some important information with you, so I will know if you really watch the videos. Voy a compartir información importante y con esto voy a saber quién miró el video hasta el final. So I will tell you the date of the final exam. On February the 25th, you will have the written exam. And on February the 26th, you will have the oral exam. Okay, I will be waiting for your questions. Okay, so please use the forum for questions and let me know whatever you need. Bueno, espero poder leer alguna consulta porque todavía estoy esperando. Por favor, escriban consultas, dudas, todo lo que necesiten en el foro que está destinado para eso precisamente. Así podemos ayudarlas. El tiempo pasa muy rápido, les acabo de decir las fechas para los exámenes, así que por favor, empecemos a organizarnos. Cualquier tipo de inconveniente que tengan en cuanto a gestión del tiempo, que necesiten alguna ayuda para organizarse o qué priorizar, no puedo hacer todo, ¿qué hago primero? Bueno, lo que sea que necesiten, por favor, consulten en ese foro, porque siempre la pregunta de una va a favorecer al resto, porque muchas veces es la misma duda que una compañera o no lo había pensado y ahora me doy cuenta que sí, tengo el mismo inconveniente. Así que por favor consulten todo lo que necesiten. Si hay algo del video que no entendieron, por favor comenten en el foro de consultas. Así ya durante la clase sabemos con qué puntos tenemos que trabajar más. Well, hope to see you soon, girls. All the best. Bye bye.